one of my video got 10K views. Today I just now saw it's 10.2 something, like
Good.
10,200. I'm very excited, and whatever you said, everything is working. Only the thing I should be consistent now. So whatever I was doing for so many days, it's giving me fruits now, and I'm so glad. And one-on-one meeting with you was very, very encouraging actually. Till that time, I was not sure if I am on right track or not. So thank you. And I want to show you something actually. I
Please,
just let
please.
me see if I can turn my other side camera.
Yeah, we
I
can
have
see.
printed all those and I have kept it here.
Very good, very good. Very happy to see that. Good, 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 good.
I used to do it for my kids. Now I'm doing it for myself. It's so funny. It always helps because if something is not right, then I always think कि क्या हो रहा है? Means what should I do more or where I'm lagging. These small pointers are there, but I think that's the only important thing to keep on going. Otherwise, and these meetings are very important.